Welcome everyone. Generally on Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague, but this Friday is Yontiv. It's the holiday of Shavuos. In the Sefer Drush HaTorah, so we're going to release this a little early on Thursday, Drush HaTorah talks about Shavuos, and my holy ancestor, the Maharal says as follows: in the book of Exodus, chapter 19, verse 6, it says, "And ye shall be unto me a kingdom of priests and a holy nation." Says the Maharal, the Maharal explains that when someone rules over someone else, it's called a kingdom. No one should think that anybody else but God is controlling the Israelites. Amar Kahanim, when it says a kingdom of priests, what does it mean, priests? Nobody else rules a priest. The only one who rules a priest is the blessed Lord. No one else can subjugate a priest. And all of this is in this world, where government and kingdom exist. When it says a holy nation, that's a reference to the afterlife, that's totally holy and separate from this world. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and have a very good Yontiv. Thank you for watching.